Hey guys, this is Albert. Well, like you can see, I got 2 packing of baking powder and bottle 1 liter from some drink, and I always wanna check it out how this thing works, if it's going to pop or not. Let's put the whole thing together. Put some water. This is just classic baking powder from the store, and I just got in this container just the water, nothing else. It is very fine powder. Maybe I should. Nah, I'm going to put both of them directly. There is no way. Right, this thing is going to fast. Up now I got the tactics. I know. And one more. I hope it's going to pop. And then let's do some nice swirling in the bottle. I should actually make other experiment. Put just in the balloon, just the one, put the water, close it up. How big actually is going to get loaded with the gas? Okay. It's really heavy. And this thing is going to be quick. You guys are ready? It's our baking powder. Let's see the action on the table. Oh wow. It has been the worst, but let's go, let's fill it up. Well, let's get the hell out from here. I don't think it's shaky, but I think it's like half. half of the powder was shaken. Now it's everything on the loose. I don't think it's going to anything happen. Barrels are strong. I saw a car driving on it with the right soda and still was holding. Oh well, I don't think anything is going to happen with this. I'm going to give it 2 more minutes. I bring a actually famous Walmart Daisy. It's an air gun. A Red Ryder. It's very soft BB, and I'm going to try to shoot one in it if this thing's what kind of mess this thing's going to do actually if it's going through. Wow, nothing. Well, I have to use some stronger There we go. Well, yeah, this thing is going through even paper. Okay, I will shoot from over here. It's an air gun, 22. Oops. Wow. Well, it was air in it. Ooh, that scares me. Wow. Baking powder. Wow, wow, wow. I'm shaking a little bit. Wow. Well, this thing was crazy. See you in the next one.